Looking for a luxurious Red Sea escape that combines stunning beaches with world-class amenities? Let me take you through everything you need to know about the Grand Resort Badrawi Hotel in Hurghada, Egypt. This 5-star beachfront property has been making waves in the Egyptian tourism scene, and today we're diving deep into what makes this resort tick. Situated on the spectacular Red Sea coast, about 20 kilometers from Hurghada Airport, this expansive property spans an impressive 110,000 square meters of tropical paradise. With 470 rooms spread across palm-lined grounds, the resort has undergone major renovations in 2023 and 2024, adding fresh appeal to an already impressive destination. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a romantic getaway, or simply need to escape the daily grind, this comprehensive review will help you decide if the Grand Resort is your next holiday destination. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head at night, because accommodation can make or break any holiday experience. The Grand Resort offers 9 distinct room categories, each designed to cater to different needs and budgets. Starting with the standard room, you're looking at 42 square meters of comfortable space featuring either a king or twin beds, a private balcony, and all the essentials you'd expect from a 5-star property. These rooms come equipped with air conditioning, a stocked minibar, satellite television, safe tea and coffee making facilities, hairdryer, and telephone. The views overlook either the garden or pool areas, and they can accommodate 2 adults plus 1 child. What makes these rooms particularly appealing is the balcony seating area where you can enjoy your morning coffee while planning your day. Moving up the ladder, the superior rooms offer 48 square meters with an enhanced layout that includes a dedicated seating area. These rooms add luxurious touches like bathrobes and slippers, and you'll enjoy partial sea views that give you glimpses of that stunning Red Sea coastline. The capacity increases here to accommodate 2 adults and 2 children, making them ideal for small families. The upgraded linens and slightly more spacious bathroom with marble finishes add that extra touch of luxury. For those who want direct sea views, the deluxe rooms deliver in spades. At 55 square meters, these rooms feature a separate living area and come with an espresso machine for coffee lovers. The seafront location means you wake up to panoramic Red Sea views from your balcony, and the wooden furniture adds warmth to the contemporary design. These rooms can accommodate 3 adults comfortably. If you're looking for something more special, the junior suites at 65 square meters combine a bedroom with a lounge area, and some even feature private jacuzzis. Perfect for couples seeking romance or anyone wanting that extra pampering, these suites offer ocean sunrise views that are absolutely breathtaking. Family suites take things further with 80 square meters spread across 2 bedrooms, making them perfect for larger families. With connecting doors, bunk beds for kids, and the capacity to sleep 4 adults plus 2 children, these suites come with kid-friendly extras like cribs available on request. The large terrace provides plenty of outdoor space for the whole family to relax. At the top end, the Royal Suite is pure opulence at 120 square meters. Featuring 2 bedrooms, separate living and dining areas, and amenities like butler service, an iPad for your convenience, and a wine cooler, this suite offers panoramic sea views and private pool access. The king canopy bed and sea-facing terrace make this the ultimate luxury experience, accommodating up to 4 adults in style. Guest photos across booking platforms show that while some older rooms still show minor wear, the recent renovations have significantly improved the overall quality, with bright rooms featuring white linens and blue accents that capture that coastal Mediterranean vibe perfectly. Now let's move on to what might be the highlight of many guest stays, the dining experience. The Grand Resort doesn't mess around when it comes to food and drink, offering 6 restaurants and 5 bars as part of their all-inclusive package, with additional a la carte options available for those wanting something extra special. The heart of the dining operation is the Albatross main restaurant, a massive buffet venue that can seat 800 guests at once. Open for breakfast from 7 to 10 in the morning, lunch from 12:30 to 3 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7 to 10 at night, this international buffet showcases Egyptian, Italian, and seafood cuisines. The fresh grilled fish is particularly noteworthy, and the mise selection gives you a taste of authentic Middle Eastern flavors. What guests really appreciate are the themed nights, with Egyptian cuisine featured every Wednesday, giving you a chance to explore local dishes in a comfortable setting. The casual dress code means you can come straight from the pool or beach without worry. User photos show the vast buffet hall filled with colorful platters offering impressive variety, though some reviews mention the menu can become repetitive during longer stays. For those seeking a more refined dining experience, La Brise Beach Restaurant offers a la carte seafood right on the beachfront. Open for lunch and dinner from noon until 11 at night, this 150-seat venue requires reservations but delivers with dishes like lobster, prawns, and Mediterranean specialties. The smart casual dress code adds a touch of elegance, and the Friday seafood nights are particularly popular. Watching the sunset while enjoying fresh lobster is an experience that guests rave about in their reviews. The professional photos of plated dishes look absolutely appetizing, and the beachfront location adds that special ambience you want from a resort holiday. If you're craving something different, the Taj Mahal restaurant brings authentic Indian cuisine to the Red Sea. With seating for 100 guests, this venue serves lunch and dinner from 12:30 to 11 at night, featuring curries, tandoori specialties, and fresh naan bread. The ornate decor creates an immersive atmosphere, and the Bollywood nights add entertainment to your meal. Guest photos highlight the vibrant spices and sizzling dishes that make Indian cuisine so appealing. The smart casual dress code keeps things comfortable while maintaining a refined atmosphere. Italian food lovers will appreciate Il Pescatore, where pasta, pizza, and tiramisu take center stage. Also seating 100 guests and requiring reservations, this restaurant features a live pasta station where you can watch your meal being prepared. The wooden interiors and wood-fired oven create that authentic Italian trattoria feel, and the official photos show crisp, appetizing presentations that live up to expectations. When it comes to bars, the Palm Beach Bar is where you'll likely spend a good portion of your day. This beach bar serves international cocktails and snacks from 10 in the morning until 1 at night, with a casual atmosphere that seats up to 200 guests. The swim-up feature means you can enjoy a drink without leaving the pool, and user videos capture the vibrant atmosphere with colorful drinks and sandy surroundings. No reservations needed means you can pop in whenever the mood strikes. The lobby bar offers a more refined setting with 24-hour service, featuring mocktails and shisha in an elegant lounge environment. Seating 150 guests, this venue features live music nightly, making it perfect for evening relaxation. The sunset mocktails are particularly popular, and the high-resolution official photos showcase the sophisticated seating areas. The all-inclusive package covers most dining and drinks, though a la carte restaurants charge extra fees ranging from $20 to $50 per person, which is reasonable considering the quality and beachfront locations. The pool facilities at the Grand Resort are genuinely impressive and deserve special attention because they are a major draw for many guests. The resort features 5 outdoor pools, each serving different purposes and guest preferences. The main attraction is the Infinity Pool, a massive 1,500 square meter body of water that ranges from 1.2 to 1.8 meters in depth. This pool features a swim-up bar where you can order drinks without leaving the water, and the Infinity Edge creates stunning photo opportunities with the Red Sea as your backdrop. The poolside waiter service means you never have to leave your lounger if you don't want to, and complimentary towels are provided throughout the day. The Family Laguna Pool offers a more relaxed atmosphere for those traveling with children, while the kids' shallow pool provides a safe environment for little ones with just half a meter of depth spread across 300 square meters. Parents particularly appreciate being able to see their children at all times in this dedicated space. For adults seeking peace and quiet, the adults-only heated pool provides a tranquil escape from the family-friendly chaos that can sometimes dominate resort pools. This pool is heated during winter months, making it comfortable year-round. The newest addition is the Aqua Park, added in 2024, featuring 6 different water slides that have become incredibly popular with families. This addition has noticeably boosted guest satisfaction scores, according to recent reviews. All pools operate from 8 in the morning until sunset throughout the year, with heating provided during cooler months to maintain comfortable temperatures. The kids' animation team runs activities throughout the day, keeping younger guests entertained while parents relax. When it comes to the beach, the Grand Resort really shines with 300 meters of private white sand beach stretching along 500 meters of Red Sea frontage. The calm waters make it perfect for swimming, and the beach is consistently praised in guest reviews as one of the resort's strongest features. Free activities include kayaks and pedalos, while paid options like diving and snorkeling expeditions range from $40 to $80 depending on the excursion. The on-site PADI Diving Center means you can explore the famous Red Sea coral reefs right from the resort, and the clear waters offer excellent visibility for underwater exploration. Beach services include a dedicated beach bar serving refreshments throughout the day, waiter service so you can order without leaving your lounger, and complimentary beach loungers with umbrellas included. The beach setup is well organized with plenty of space even during peak season, though some reviews note it can get crowded during summer holidays when the resort reaches full capacity. The combination of pristine sand, calm waters, and comprehensive services makes the beach area a highlight that justifies the 5-star rating. Beyond swimming and sunbathing, the Grand Resort offers an extensive range of activities to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. The fitness center is equipped with Technogym brand equipment including treadmills, weights, exercise bikes, and yoga mats, operating from 6 in the morning until 10 at night. For those who prefer guided exercise, the resort offers classes including yoga, aqua aerobics, and personal training sessions available for around $30 per session. The gym is well maintained and air-conditioned, making it comfortable even during the hottest parts of the day. Water activities extend beyond the pools and beach, with the resort organizing various excursions and experiences. Quad bike safaris into the Egyptian desert provide adventure for thrill seekers, while submarine trips offer a unique way to explore Red Sea marine life without getting wet. These excursions can be booked on-site through the activities desk, and prices vary depending on the experience. Evening entertainment follows a weekly schedule that includes shows featuring fire dancers, magicians, and acrobatic performances at the outdoor amphitheater. The nightly live performances showcase folk music and various entertainment acts that give guests a taste of Egyptian culture. For those who enjoy dancing, the disco provides late-night entertainment, while beach parties add variety to the evening options. The entertainment team works hard to create engaging experiences, though some reviews mention the animation can be quite loud, which might not appeal to everyone. Seasonal events add extra special touches, with New Year's Eve gala dinners and Ramadan iftar meals providing culturally significant experiences for guests visiting during those periods. The resort also caters to sports enthusiasts with facilities that go beyond the basic fitness center, though specific details about tennis courts or other sports facilities weren't extensively detailed in available information. What's clear from guest reviews is that there's rarely a dull moment at the Grand Resort, with activities available from early morning until late at night catering to different energy levels and interests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.